My name is Rooban Kumar, and I have completed BCA degree at KG College of Arts and Science. And I have completed the course ASP.NET Full Stack Development at Qtree Technologies. And I've done a project on a blogging website called Blogging. So this is my web application. So it's the landing page, smaller landing page, and you can see the like a banner which contains three recently blogged websites. So if you go into the blog, it will display the entire blog with the title, subtitle, and the person who created it with the created date. So coming down, you can see the comment section. So you can add a comment like this is a comment, and if you post it, it won't post. Yeah, it requires a login because you should have logged in uh, when you want to post something. So right now there is no post. You can see the count here. We have a category section. So in the category, we will uh, filter the blocks according to the categories which been posted. So you can see right here, it's called world category. So when you click on world, the only blocks that has the category which is selected to world will be displayed right here. And when we get into the functionalities, there is a search column. So where you can search, I'll just search first and you click on enter. So there's no title which has the keyword of first. So I'll just let's go into the block section. So there is a test in something, and let's do real and real, click on enter. So there's a real block, uh, real keyword containing in a block. So it will display that, will display it. So coming back to this, we have a sign up section which will allow the user to sign up. Yeah, this first name. So let's create a new user. We'll do Bruce Wayne. The password requires a special character and numbers. So that's a requirement, and also a caps. One bio. So you can add something about yourself in the blog section. It is mandatory to create a bio. So I'll say this. So here you can choose a profile picture from your device, and you can click on register. So it will redirect you to the main page, but you'll be logged in. So let me log out and log us back in, and we click on enter. So it will redirect us to the main section, but you'll be logged in, so you can see the profile picture right here. The uploaded profile picture will be displayed, and right below it, you can see two options: profile and logout. And then in the profile section of yours will be there your profile is you have given the first and last name. So you can edit that, and this manage will allow you to delete your account. So right now there's no block created, so we'll just go and create a post. So create post will allow you to create a new post in yours. So let's say this heading of the blog. Come down, you can add pictures too. You can add pictures to your blog post. So right here you can see the browse server option. So this is a view too. So this pop-up menu, this is a view created. So it will display all of the subtitle, and we should click on a category. You will choose general, and you should have a thumbnail for your blog. So we just choose something like post portrait, open, let's do create. So yeah, I told you earlier that we should be logged into comment. So here is the comment. We'll just hit this is a comment, and when you click on post comment, so you can see there is one comment in the comment section, and the username who has created the comment and the date and time. When we post the comment, so as you can see, it's been posted, and you also get an option. So if the user who's commented in the post is logged in, you will get an option to delete the comment as well. So when you click on this delete button, there will be a pop-up which will ask you to for your permission, and if you click on OK, you'll just delete the comment. In the profile, you go to the my blogs, where you can see all of the blogs that I've written is being displayed, and you'll get the option to edit. So in the profile, you redirect to the profile, go to my blogs, and there is this icon. So by clicking this, you can edit the blog that's already been created. So we'll change the subtitle to yeah, this works. So we have just changed the subtitle, and you click on save. As you can see, the subtitle is now changed. You can also delete the created blog. So I'll just go and delete this blog right here. So it will ask you whether we should delete the blog. When you click on OK, it will be no longer exist in the database as well as in the website. So when you go to the blog section will also be not containing that blog. So this is the overall project. Thank you.